and then I'll give you this another thing too. If we don't have proof of the errors and pointing it out to them and say, you know what, I pointed this out to you, here's proof, then just sending a letter saying that was wrong, that's not good enough. So I can go on and on and on and breaking down this process and steps of how we do it in sequence to make sure we get the result. That's why I say, I heard someone tell me, I was talking to someone and they say, oh, you can't guarantee credit repair. That's crazy. I'm like, if you know what you're doing, you can. And I noticed a lot of people, they like to go to the people that's having a cheaper price because they're just trying their best, what has worked for them sometimes. But I told myself I was not going to start helping people clear their credit until I knew for sure I could get things off, because, okay, let's say I've got results before and I'm now offering this service to people. Am I 100% confident I can help these people? Or I say, okay, man, I might be able to, but I'm not sure really. And I remember back before I was even mastered this process, it took me over a year before to clear someone's credit before we got the results done. And I was like, dang, this is too long. I gotta find another way. So fine tweaking my process, that's how I can guarantee it. And I definitely would love to teach you this process, because I'm seeing a lot of issues. People talking about credit repair is taking too long. They say, oh, I tried this didn't work, that didn't work. Okay, so let me show you how to start the process all the way to the end and watch us get results.